and welcome back to Lavender Coco Kitchen. Today I have my lovely daughter Sangeetha, the actress and filmmaker, here with me again today. And Sangeetha would like to tell you what we're going to make.
Yes, so today we're going to make lemon and raspberry cupcakes.
And why do you particularly like these cupcakes?
Well, I really like cakes. I think everybody likes
cakes. I like cakes.
But yeah, no, I'm really into like fruity kind of flavors, and I love lemon in desserts. I think it's really refreshing. And I have tried this before when you made it. Yeah. And I really liked it. It was just very like refreshing and nice. So
yes.
Yeah, so to be able to know how to make it would be pretty good.
Well, that's what I'm going to do today. Show you how to make these delicious cupcakes that, of course, as you said, contain lemon and raspberries, which are very healthy fruits, full of fibre, boost immune system, antioxidants, also, of course, very low in sugar. So for diabetics or those watching their sugar intake, it's also good. And of course we don't use refined flour or sugar, we use more natural products so that we get a healthier result. And then you can have your cake and eat it too.
Wow.
First we need almonds, and as you probably know, the almonds will replace a lot of the flour. And almonds are very low carb, very good fats, very good for you. A lot better than refined flour. So let's get a cup of almonds. Oops. So we're just going to blend the almonds until they're fine. The almonds have to be fairly fine, like not completely, but they do have to be like reasonably fine. Okay. So next we have wholemeal spelt flour, which is a lot less processed than normal white flour, so it retains more nutrients.
How much?
We'll put 1 1/4 cups.
1 1/4 cups. One.
Yeah, and just a little bit more. It's best to fill it up. Yeah, now 1/4. So we want to make them rise, so we're going to put 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon baking soda.
I could eat that all by itself.
Obviously not very nice by itself.
So how much of this?
2 teaspoons.
1 and 2.
And 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Here's 1/4.
1/4.
Yeah. What do you think of that?
Nice.
Okay. Alright. Oh no, my sleeve has got caught in the glass.
Okay, we don't want any of that.
Now, blend it up.
With which setting?
Just use the high again. It's fine. So we have your favourite fruit, and we need to get the zest of 1 lemon and also the juice of 1 lemon, which equals about 1/3 cup of juice. So if you want to grate that one. So we'll just strain the lemon juice in. Just press it with a spoon. Next you put the zest in. Maybe use a spoon, it's easier. Just scrape it in there. You're going to put half a cup of coconut oil.
Half a cup of coconut oil.
And melted coconut oil. Okay, yes. Yeah, a quarter of a cup of maple syrup.
Maple syrup.
And you might notice that's the only sugar we're putting in here. Vanilla.
Which is a nice flavour with lemon.
Yeah. 1 teaspoon. And make sure it's vanilla extract, not essence. Because extract obviously is thicker and has more flavour and it's more like the real thing. Okay, 3/4 of a cup of almond milk. Or any plant milk that you like. It's fine. Yeah, about maybe a tiny more. Yeah, that's enough. Okay. Let me just check that was all. Hang on. Yeah, that's it. Alright, so now just blend it.
Wow!
It's easy, isn't it?
Easy peasy.
You can whip this up yourself in no time. Alright, off you go. Turn it on. Actually, this you can do on low or medium. See that now. Right, now just check the consistency. As you see, it's like a sort of fairly runny batter. That's about the right consistency. Mm-hmm. If it's too thick, you just add a bit more milk. If it's too thin, add a little bit more flour. Okay, so we're gonna take this over and put the raspberries in.
Ooh.
Yeah.
I like raspberries.
Why?
I like the colour.
Yeah, well, it matches your jacket, doesn't it?
That wasn't intentional.
No.
I like the colour and I like the flavour and sweets. And it looks nice.
Yeah, and I like it because berries are low in sugar and very good for diabetics. You can eat quite a lot of those without worrying. So we're just going to fold them in fairly gently so they don't like break up too much. You can break them up a little bit if you want. And actually we'll put all the juice in as well because that is extra.
Should we swirl the juice in after?
Yeah, that's a good idea.
I have some good ideas.
Yeah. Why don't you help me more often?
Busy time, busy girl, busy schedule.
It's frozen, so I've just defrosted those. So, you know, if raspberries aren't really in season, you can use some that you've frozen if you want. Yeah, that colour is nice. Mini cupcakes, so you can make larger ones if you wish. It makes about 24 mini ones and 12 more like larger size. So we'll just put some mixture in each of those. Oops. Yeah.
And do they rise quite a bit?
Yeah, they will. So fill them up about 3/4 full. Like this one's about right. That could have a bit more in it. They will rise, but they won't rise like super much. Okay, so now we're just going to cook them at 180 degrees for about 15 minutes. Okay, so now we have the beautiful lemon and raspberry cupcakes that Sangeetha has so beautifully decorated herself. She's very good at decorating cakes, as you can see. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.